Guten Tag, German learners. Welcome back to our journey of learning German for beginners. In our last lesson, we mastered the art of form filling. Today, we're stepping into another vital realm of post office. Get ready to unravel the essential words and phrases that will navigate you through the Deutsche Post experience. In Germany, the sight of a yellow sign saying Deutsche Post is your cue that you're either at the post office or one of its branches. Let's delve into some crucial terms with articles and plural forms. First up, Die Post, the post, Die Poststelle post office branch, Die Postfiliale post branch, and Die Postamt post office. Essential for mailing is Die Briefmarke stamp and Das Paket parcel. For those handling the mail, we have Der Briefträger mail carrier and Der Paketbote parcel delivery. Now, let's talk about the journey of your mail. Der Briefkasten mailbox, Der Briefkorb mail tray, and Die Postage mailbag all play roles in getting your letters to their destination. If you're into stamp collecting, you'd call it Das Briefmarkensammlung or Die Philatelie. Need stamps? Head to Der Briefmarkenautomat stamp vending machine. And don't forget Die Briefmarkensammlung stamp collection. Now, when it comes to parcels, we have Das Paketbote small packet and Das Paket parcel. After carefully packing your parcel, it's time for a Der Postbringdienst postal delivery service to take it to the post office. Don't overlook the importance of Der Umschlag envelope and Die Briefmarke stamp when sending a letter. Before posting, make sure to write the crucial details like Die Adresse address and Die Absenderadresse sender's address. When sending a parcel, use a sticker known as Der Paketaufkleber. On the left, write the sender's details, and on the right, the receiver's details. The country of destination is Das Bestamungsland. For registered mail, use Die Einschreiben and Die Einschreibennummer registered number. Now, if you encounter Der Briefkasten letterbox, it's time to send a letter. At the post office, you might use polite phrases like Ich hätte gern einen Briefmarkensatz, I would like a set of stamps. Or Ich möchte diesen Brief als Einschreiben versenden, I would like to send this letter as registered mail. To make your experience smoother, learn phrases like Ich möchte diesen Brief nach London schicken, I would like to send this letter to London, or Ich möchte dieses Paket nach London schicken, would like to send these parcels to London. Vielen Dank for joining us on this linguistic journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Questions or comments? Drop them below. Auf Wiedersehen.